Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best drones with 4K camera under $100.
Starting at number 5.
Propel Star Wars. The Force is with the Star Wars themed drone, which initially cost nearly $200, but now can be had for less than $50. The controller that comes with the Propel X1 Advanced not only lets you perform flips and other tricks, but has a number of sound effects and audio clips from the original trilogy. It all comes in an impressive box that plays the Star Wars theme when you open it up. The details on the X1 are pretty good, and it even looks like the ship has seen a bit of wear and tear. In flight, it's fast enough to make the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs. Propel also makes an X-Wing fighter version of this drone, as well as a speeder bike, complete with Stormtrooper. Even better, infrared lights and sensors inside each drone let you battle with other Propel Star Wars drones. When you hit another drone, it will spin in the air. Too bad these drones lack cameras to capture video of your dogfights, but otherwise, they're great fun for Star Wars fans.
Coming at number 4.
Thompson A31. Looking for an inexpensive drone to learn the basics? The Tomzon A31 is the best drone for the job, offering a great selection of features for the flyer who wants more without spending more than $50. The no-frills A31 lacks a camera, but it's fast and maneuverable. And it has some LED lights at the base of each propeller, making it fun to fly day or night. We also liked its sturdy blade guards, which help keep it in one piece if it crashes into something. However, it has a short battery life of around 7 to 8 minutes, but it comes with a spare battery, so you can keep the fun going longer.
At number 3.
Udu A18 AFPV. The Force Udu A18A is one of the larger of the best cheap drones, but most of this size is due to the built-in rotor blade guards. That's a good thing for novice flyers. The circular blade protectors save the blades from being damaged by sticks, fingers and more. The lightweight plastic case is flimsy, and feels like it would easily break in a moderate speed collision. The camera hangs below the center of the drone, and can be angled manually to point from straight ahead to about 30 degrees down. Its camera can record video at a 720p resolution, stored on the microSD card that fits into the back of the camera body. The accompanying app, available for both iOS and Android, can control the drone and shows a 480p resolution video preview. This can be switched to 720p, but that gets a little glitchy when the drone is more than 20 to 25 feet away. The U18A flies well, hovering when you release the control sticks on the small remote, but turning and banking quickly when you maneuver it around. It isn't particularly fast, though. You get about 8 to 10 minutes of flight time from its 350 mAh battery, and 2 are included. This combination of maneuverability, stability and battery life makes it a great pick for those who are more interested in video than aerobatics.
Number 2 of my list.
Holystone HS. The Holystone HS110D makes our list of the best cheap drones because it's one of the few at this price that has a 1080p camera. While not up to the same level as a DJI drone, it does provide better video quality than other drones on this page, making it a good starter for aspiring videographers. Like many of the other cheap drones on this list, flight time is around 8 minutes, which is decent for a drone at this price. We also like that the company includes 2 batteries, so your downtime isn't too great. And this drone is pretty easy to fly, too.
And number 1.
Ryze Tech Tello. Not only is the Ryze Tech Tello a fun drone to fly, but it's designed to help kids learn to program by dropping blocks of code, Lego style, into an app, using the Scratch programming language. There's a bit of a learning curve, though, so children may need some guidance on just how to program the Tello. Designed by DJI, the Tello is a light but solidly built drone, with an electronically stabilized camera that can record video at 720p/30 fps and take 5MP photos. Ryze advertises the Tello as being able to fly for up to 13 minutes on a charge, but we found its flight time to be about half that. Either way, it's worth investing in a few spare batteries. The Tello also does not come with a physical remote control, so you'll have to use your smartphone, Android and iOS, unless you want to spend an extra $50 on a controller. The Tello is available in a few different colors. There's even an Iron Man branded model for Marvel fanatics.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.